In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a free SSL certificate for your WordPress website, even if your hosting provider doesn't offer an automatic one-click solution. By the end, you'll know how to easily secure your website using a simple plugin. So visitors will see that reassuring padlock in their browser, and you'll benefit from better security and SEO. Let's dive right in. First things first. If your web host doesn't give you a direct one-click way to add SSL, don't worry, you're definitely not stuck. There's actually a fantastic plugin called Auto Install Free SSL that makes the process almost effortless. Even for beginners. This plugin taps into Let's Encrypt, which provides widely trusted free SSL certificates. So you get the same level of encryption and browser trust as a paid certificate, but without opening your wallet. Let's walk through how this works, and I'll explain each step, so you know exactly what you're setting up and why it's important. So after you log into your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins in the sidebar and click on Add New in the search bar. Type in Auto Install Free SSL. When you see the plugin pop up, click Install Now. Then activate. Why use a plugin here? Well, normally, installing SSL manually means generating certificate files, proving to Let's Encrypt that you own your domain, uploading files to your server, and configuring everything in your control panel. That process can be a little intimidating, like trying to set up a home alarm system with a confusing manual. The plugin handles all that complexity for you right in your WordPress dashboard, so you won't need to mess with coding or file uploads. Once you activate the plugin, you'll notice a new menu item in your dashboard called Appropriately Free SSL. Click it and the plugin will walk you through the rest. At this point, the plugin needs to verify that you own the domain you're securing. That's a standard step with trusted SSL certificates. Usually, the plugin handles this automatically by creating a temporary file on your website that lets encrypt checks. You might see a prompt asking you to allow permission for this process. It's completely safe to proceed. After ownership is verified, which might take a minute or two, the plugin will generate your SSL certificate. This is where many people get nervous, but the plugin makes things smooth. If your server control panel is cPanel or Plesk, the plugin will even offer you a step-by-step installer. For most users, you'll just need to follow the on-screen instructions, things like copying a code and pasting it into your control panel, or clicking to install automatically. If you ever get stuck, remember, any step that feels confusing is usually explained in the plugin's interface, and you can always pause and review. Think of it as swapping out an old pair of locks on your front door for a new set. Take your time and double-check each step. Better security is worth 15 focused minutes. Once the installation is complete, make sure to visit your site and check for that little padlock in your browser's address bar. That's visual proof for you and for visitors that the connection is secure. You might need to use a Force SSL option in the plugin to ensure all traffic uses HTTPS, not just HTTP. If you see any mixed content warnings, those are just resources like images or scripts that are still being loaded over the old insecure connection. The plugin often includes fixes for this, but sometimes you may need to update a few links. And that's it. You've just equipped your WordPress site with trustworthy encryption for free. And in the process, you're telling your visitors and search engines that you take security seriously. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about SSL plugins or run into a snag during setup, drop a comment down below. And of course, subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials and website tips. See you in the next one.